Hi, welcome to L1 Auto. This is 2007 Honda Pilot. The, there's a lot of oil leak underneath, so I have to figure out where is the oil coming from. I see there's some oil leaking in here, like bulb cover gasket. A little bit of oil on this side, and see right there, a little bit of oil I can see here. There's a lot of oil. It's not supposed to be that much oil. If it is, even though leak in here, bulb cover gasket. But let me go underneath and see. See this oil everywhere. Transmission and see the oil pump. The oil is coming from. I wipe everything, then start the car like for a good 20 minutes. Then I see the leak right there. There's a drain plug right here. See this? The drain plug, I think seal is not good anymore, so we need to replace the drain plug for the oil. So you see the oil everywhere, transmission and everywhere. This, I think there's a not transmission oil when the car is run. So when is the oil dripping from here, the air flow, everything is all over. So this is the main problem, I believe there. So we're gonna replace engine oil drain plug and as well oil too. So this is the oil drain plug for the Honda Pilot. This is the part number right there. So this part number right there. So we need to take this bolt out. This is 17 millimeter drain plug. Just put this. So hold it like this until the flow gets little down. There we go. So filter is, you see the oil, this is the oil plug, drain plug, I mean. Right on, like has this one. So right here there's the filter. Take the filter out. I'm gonna use a filter wrench to open this filter, like this one. See this? It's coming out a little bit there. It's a little loose, you can just use by hand. And we drip all the oil. So there I'm gonna put the new drain plug. Still dripping that. Almost. So then this funnel, make sure you clean good, and inside you will see if there is a dust and debris. And after that, whatever oil you use, just put dumping in the oil little by little. See, after I tied the bowl, I clean all this oil. I started like maybe 10-15 minutes. I put the oil, but don't forget to put the oil in the engine. I fill it up the oil and run for about 10-15 minutes. I see still nice, no dripping or anything. It's nice and clean. So that's how you find out the leak or change your oil drain plug. Thank you for watching, guys. If you like the video, please like and subscribe.